So hopefully you remember to winterize your jet ski. All you gotta do is get a gallon of this RV antifreeze stuff. It's only about $4 or $5 over at the local store. Just use your same filler spout. Mine's got a valve on it for the water intake into the back here. Remember, don't turn on until you're ready to go. So we gotta start and fire this thing. All right, dash is up. And barely started. Hopefully we get another pop out of it. So you just kind of hold it up. It's a little messy, but just poke a hole in the top for a breather. You just want red juice coming out the bottom, which we do. Finish up this gallon here. And we're just about there. And there she goes. So, go ahead, stop. Turn your valve off, unplug this. And we are all good to go now.